What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Can you take him for a sec? My arm needs a break. I need to switch. He's so big. Five.
3 and 2?
Yeah.
3 and 2?
The baby can just sit on the lap or what?
Yeah. We have 7 and 8.
Alright. Hey, honey, we're on Dumbo. All right, Nixon, show me what you got to do. Which one's up? Okay, what's down? Okay, what's up? Okay, good job. Are you guys ready? We're on Dumbo. His big ears. That's why he flies. See his big ears? That's you. That's you.
That's it. Hey, what's that? Okay.
Alright, put us up, Nixon. We're going up. Go up higher. Go higher, all the way to the top. You're going up. Woo! Nixon's controlling us on Dumbo. We're at the top. Is that as high as it goes? Now we're going down. Nixon's bringing us up. Go to the top, Nix. All the way up, all the way up. Just keep it up until we go to the top. All the way, all the way, all the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. We made it to the top. All right. Now what? You want to go down? Woo, we're going down now. You're a good pilot, Nixon. Look at Dumbos are above us. Are you controlling the elephant? Yeah, we're going around in circles.
Up and down.
Up and down. Yell it. Ready to yell at Mom? 1. She's right here on the side. You yell Mom. Ready, set, go. Mom!
Mom.
Oh, we're going down. There she is right there. Mom!
Mom.